Bathed in the golden light of dawn, Soren, Elara, and Brindle find solace in their shared sanctuary. Sunlight filters through the ancient oak, painting their world with ethereal shadows and shimmering light. Beneath the watchful branches, they seek refuge, their bond deepening with each passing moment. A symphony of serenity unfolds as they graze in harmony, their spirits intertwined. In this tranquil haven, their hearts beat as one, a testament to the enduring power of friendship. Their peaceful coexistence whispers a tale of unity, where differences fade and harmony reigns supreme. At the forest's edge, a tiger lurks in the shadows, its eyes burning with predatory hunger. The tiger studies the deer, their unified stance, a clear barrier to its hunger. Frustration tightens the tiger's muscles, its predatory instincts held in check by the deer's collective strength. The tiger remains still. A predator paused, calculating its next move against the unified prey. In the tranquil meadow, a majestic tiger rests in the cool embrace of a sprawling tamarind tree. The tiger hatches its plan. Its calculating eyes gleam with cunning as it plots to divide the deer. A subtle, sinister smile plays on its lips, hinting at the deception to come. In the tranquil meadow, a tiger emerges, its movements a symphony of muscle and hidden shadows. Closing in on Soren, the tiger moves with deceptive speed. Soren stands frozen, a statue of fear and disbelief, as the tiger's voice whispers, "Elara and Brindle mock you." Soren's gaze flickers towards Elara and Brindle, his expression a canvas of hurt and confusion. The air thickens with unspoken betrayal as Soren processes the tiger's words. In the vast meadow, Soren begins to isolate himself, drifting away from Elara and Brindle. He grazes alone, his movements betraying a growing sense of distrust and unease. Elara and Brindle stand side by side, watching Soren with concern. The once harmonious trio now appears fractured, a palpable sense of division hanging in the air. In the tranquil meadow, the tiger approaches Elara, weaving a web of deceit. He moves on, his insidious whispers now poisoning Brindle's mind. As the days pass, Elara stands alone, her gaze distant and filled with distrust. Brindle, too, isolates himself, suspicion clouding his once bright eyes. The meadow, once a haven of unity, now echoes with the silence of division and mistrust. Elara, unsuspecting, wanders alone towards the tranquil stream, her thirst guiding her into the heart of danger. Unseen, the tiger lies in wait, a predator concealed within the dense foliage, its eyes fixated on Elara. The forest holds its breath, a tense calm enveloping the scene as the tiger prepares to unleash its deadly pounce. Time seems to slow as Elara approaches the water's edge, her innocence a stark contrast to the imminent threat. The air crackles with suspense, the serene stream about to become a stage for a desperate struggle. From the heart of the forest emerges a tiger, muscles coiled and ready to unleash its raw power. Elara finds herself the prey in a deadly game of survival, propelled into the forest depths by primal fear. In the heart of the wilderness, a desperate chase unfolds. As Elara strains every sinew to escape the predator's relentless pursuit, her cries echo through the ancient trees, swallowed by the forest's vast embrace. A testament to her isolation, the tiger continues its relentless pursuit, a symbol of nature's unforgiving power. In the expansive meadow, Brindle grazes, a solitary figure amidst the tall grass. A sudden shift in the atmosphere, Brindle lifts her head, sensing an unseen threat. A tiger emerges from the shadows, its presence shattering the calm. The meadow is charged with terror as the tiger's roar echoes through the open space. Brindle, isolated and exposed, is frozen in fear as she understands her dire situation. Brindle bursts into the forest, her heart pounding. The tiger thunders close behind, its shadow looming over Brindle. The forest shadows deepen, turning the woods into a maze of terror for Brindle. She darts through the trees, desperately seeking escape from the pursuing tiger. The sounds of the chase echo through the woods, then slowly fade away. Silence descends, leaving Brindle's fate hanging in the balance. The meadow at dusk, an unnerving silence descends, amplifying Soren's solitude. Soren's gaze sweeps across the tall grass, searching for any sign of his friends. The darkening horizon deepens the ache of their absence. Regret washes over Soren, each wave bringing a fresh pang of loneliness. The tall grass sways in the wind, mocking Soren's isolation. His friends' faces are conspicuously absent. From the meadow's heart, a tiger appears, its gaze piercing and predatory. Soren's face is slowly etched with the stark realization of his choices. The consequences of division become terrifyingly clear. Fear grips Soren as he understands the price of discord. The tiger advances, a golden predator in a sea of green. Soren's frantic escape through the meadow begins, his every step a desperate plea for survival. The open field offers no refuge, no ally, only the chilling realization of his solitude. A predator emerges, an embodiment of raw power and relentless pursuit. Each stride of the tiger tightens the noose, the distance shrinking with cruel certainty. Soren feels the hot breath of the predator. The end seems inevitable. The tiger is now upon him, all hope extinguished. In the meadow, Soren's face shows fear and resignation as he confronts the tiger. The tiger lets out a deafening roar. Soren's body trembles as he hears the tiger's roar. The tiger stands tall, its powerful roar echoing through the meadow. Soren closes his eyes, awaiting the inevitable. The sunlit meadow stretches out, serene under the vast sky. Long shadows stretch across the grass, painting a silent story of loss. The air hangs heavy with the unspoken absence of the deer. A palpable emptiness fills the scene, a stark reminder of shattered unity. At the forest's edge, the tiger stands as the unchallenged ruler of its domain. His gaze sweeps across the empty meadow, a silent testament to his triumph. The tiger's eyes gleam with satisfaction, reflecting the raw power of nature. The ancient tamarind tree stands as a silent witness, its branches reaching out like gnarled fingers. The meadow is bathed in the fading sunlight, where victory and nature's cycle continue.